Hey everyone, welcome to part 7 of the October STL file for 2024 Patreon. We look at D&D minis, Warhammer proxies, and some figures. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down below. And we'll be having all the links for you guys down below, the ones we're looking at as well. We have Dark Fire Design. This is mostly for Star Wars. Looks like we have Undead Rebels. Rebels, I believe. Alliance. So we have that for October. That's kind of funny. We have undead stormtroopers as well. That's pretty cool. Have some undead stuff. Xanax 3D is another movie figure as well. Looks like we got the Gladiator for October. Maximus. I haven't watched Gladiator in a long, long time. SW3D Patreon. They do figures for Star Wars. They have Rondo, I believe, Lando, for it, and yeah, I think Lando's one. I don't know what the other one is going to be. What the promo welcome pack update will be for it. Prey STL collection. Looks like we got a Mithra. We also got Rico as well. I think these are the one Scorpion and Hellboy going to be our lucky guy as well. Predator. And Valrage Studio. This is another, I think, Star Wars one as well. Looks like October release. We got Han Solo. We got a Cruise Land Speeder. We got Covert Resistance Cell. Dark Sun Female Leader. Dark Sun Marauders as well for your October release. This was a September one. Want to see if a good idea what it looks like. Okay, Ushanko miniature. They do a lot of Oriental style miniatures. I think it's Black Wukong they're doing right now. So we got the Monkey King, Son Goku, and his monkey form as well for this month. And they have the sci-fi release as well. Looks like in a welcome pack. Monsters Encounter. They don't exist anymore. Void Realm minis for October. We're getting some weird looking creatures. It's basically from the far realm. But yeah. Need that September. But yeah. If you're interested in some weird looking creatures for your game, there you have it. That Void will have it. Paul 3D for October. We're getting a diorama of bears and werewolves. Looks like some Viking barbarians as well in the fray. So that's actually pretty cool. If you need some of this diorama or using actual piece for your game, I think this will be pretty good to have as well. Oh, we have a throwback of spiders one as well, probably from Lord of the Rings. Valkyr Sculpt, another figure, anime and video games one for it. We got Makoto from Ghost in the Shell. That's November one. There's another October promo. Hollow Live. We also getting the Emperor from Baldur's Gate 3, but this is the October release. We got Pyramid Head, Makoto. We'll have these, this one and the Hollow Life one as our promo bonus. Is the previous month. Forgot where she's from. But that's actually pretty good for all that for $10. It's a pretty good one. So PS Miniatures, they do Warhammer Proxy majority of times. Sometimes they don't. I think they're doing Harpies right now. So we're getting Harpies, sexy looking Harpies. Actually, I'm probably going to want to get for my game. Don't like to have them in clothes, but oh well. No, that is something that we don't want to see. Okay, we're done with that. But if you're interested, let me know. Ethan Savage Studio, you get a free download of the Halloween version of these guys of Final Fantasy 7. And for October, we got another more. I don't know what that's from. That's from Cowboy Bebop. But yeah, those are for the October ones. Peach figure. We got Power Girl. That's out. And then there's Super Halloween coupon. So they have a Halloween coupon right now if you're interested in buying stuff. We got Hinata. I'm trying to find out what's this. That's September one. What's this month's one? Let's see here. We getting. So yeah, we getting Power Girl, Albedo, Hinata, and Hera. There's your welcome pack over there as well. Yan H, another figure one as well for October account. We got Taka and Sergeant Kohan, and that they haven't made that yet, but I'll leave a link down for you guys. So you guys check them out. Fien, I think there she's gone too, or he or she's gone. STL project, we have a whole bunch of stuff. We got Aldrich figure. We have the Selfir from Final Fantasy VIII. We also have Zero, better looking Zero, and then we have Six from Little Nightmare, I believe it was called. They'll have a lot more. Just letting you guys know. He just releases a whole bunch of shit. Zahan Studio hasn't made anything since I don't know for a while. Oh, Hashia Minis. This is like a proxy for Tyranid. Sometimes they have stuff. We got stuff for like Necrons as well. So some stuff you might be able to use for your Tyranids if you're interested, or for D&D game. It has a bioweapon and guns and stuff like that. So that's cool. And we have Man I Love figures. So they have a lot of loot figures and stuff. I think 100 gold will get this guy, Sakiro. And then Dark Magician Girl, Scotland Knights, and Term 10 for Zelda Mini 1. You get a free model of female Spider Man and Caillou Man and Poison Ivy. And we have also a free model for Genshin Impact, Ella. I'm trying to get that better looking one for that as well. So we have a lot of these figures. We got Wesker as well. Ashley will love that. We have Pyra, Mithra. We got Lady Deadpool. We got Yuri, Bulma. A whole bunch of stuff if you're interested. So this is the listing of what we got for it. Legion miniature. They do Marvel and DC minis for it. So we got Sinister. Did not know all of it. We got Scarlet Witch, Thor, Toad. Looks like Samurai Wolverine, Valkyrie, Green Goblin, Hercules, Aqua. No, that's not Aquaman. That's DC. This forget what his name was, but yeah, we got that. The DC got Batgirl, Harley Quinn, female version of Aquaman, monkey version of Loki, Iron Lantern. I'm guessing I don't know what. I know it's Green Lantern symbol, but it looks like an Iron Man suit. But yeah, Hawkeye, if you're interested, Banshee. I don't think it's called Banshee. Tordos Minis, another figure one as well. We'll be getting for this month, like this October release. There we go. These are the October release. We got Poison. We got the Genie old TV series, Poison Ivy. Don't know who she is though. She's Hakura the Goth Geisha. If you're interested in that. I think this will be the last one. Dorky's Factory Miniatures hasn't actually. That won't be the last one. That's gone. STL, that's also gone too. Arcane Workshop. Let's see here. They're doing Mephisto, I believe, for the new Diablo 4 expansion pack. I was kind of pissed about the new expansion. You don't get to kill Mephisto. You only kill his aspect. And there'll be another expansion that's coming up for it. So yeah, Mephisto. It'll be the next one for Arcane Workshop. M3D. Well, you can probably look at this. Exclusive. You pay, you get some stuff for D&D miniatures. It's just really really weird. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it isn't. So like you got the mimic house. I have like too many of these damn mimic houses. If you're interested, just let me know. All links are down below for you guys. If you guys do enjoy, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.